What's going on, everybody? I'm going to get you set up to start modding Schedule 1. It's going to include a download of MelonLoader, UnityExplorer, showing you how to get the mono version of Schedule 1 so you can actually do easy modding, and just kind of knowing what files and stuff like that you need to switch over. So first things first, you're going to want to go to your Schedule 1 game in Steam, click on the cog icon. You're going to want to go to Properties, Betas, and then this is where you're going to want to join the alternate beta. The dev was nice enough to help us out and get some mono version so we can all play around with some modding and stuff like that. So you'll want to click on this, which is going to trigger a re-download if you already have the game installed. But if you don't, then it will just download like regular. So first thing, you're going to want to go to MelonLoader. Simple Google search will bring you there. Go to Get Started. You are going to want to pick whatever operating system you're using. I'm using Windows. I don't know how the Linux process works, so sorry. There might be another YouTube video out there for it. This one's just for Windows. We're going to click the download. Your game should pop up here, but if it doesn't, you can always add the game manually. I don't know if it's library based or if it has to be on the same drive or whatnot, but right there, I'm going to click the latest version, which is 0.7.0. I'm not going to enable nightly builds. I'm going to hit install. Press OK. So now what you're going to want to do is simply go to Steam again. I go to Properties. This is how I find my game files. Go to Browse. This should bring you here. There's MelonLoader. You're going to want to launch the game from your exe file because it's going to initialize and compile a bunch of stuff for MelonLoader. You won't be able to use UnityExplorer until after you do this the first time. So I'll speed up the video so you don't have to watch all this. All right, so as you can see, the game's loading up fine. One thing you'll notice is that you're going to have two screens now available. One is the console for MelonLoader, and then one is the game. If you close the console, it's going to close your game as well. So now let's move on to UnityExplorer. You can simply find this by just doing a Google search, UnityExplorer, going down the README. I'm going to pick 6.x. Oops, sorry, not that one. MelonLoader. We're going to be using the MelonLoader, so we're going to be mono 2.5. Now that that's downloaded, you're going to want to extract all wherever you want to. Now you're going to have these two folders. Now you're going to want to take your game folder and the newly extracted folders that we just did for UnityExplorer. And you'll notice mods and user libs are already there inside your game folder. If you don't have any mods in your folder and no libraries, you should be okay to just pull these in, kind of overwrite and replace them. Now you'll see they're in there. So you should be good. And then you should be able to simply open the game up again. And there you go.